We did it. Everything is going to plan. Now Island of Toyland is ours. And look at it. We messed it up. No more trains. No more railroads. Ha! Yeah, you said it, boss. Yeah. 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 Just like you did a year ago. Oh, my sweet little Tilly. You, you're just a blue car. Have no friends. Oh wait, you already did because you were friends with the trains. Yeah, he's got to right. He is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think. What? What's that? Yeah, just like the time to try and take over the island. Jason. When first I started this invasion, who created this invasion? Who started the plan? You did. And who will take over this island? You. Ha! Just like I thought. Now, no more. Now Tony and Mason are gone. There'll be no more steamies. Now, next is the diesels and the electric trains too, because they are made of electricity and all that stuff. Probably my father is an electric car. Well, who cares? We have a new henchman. Wait, what? What? Yeah, I have a new henchman. And he is kind of blocky though, but anyway. Meet Jackie. Hello, fellas. Nice being here. Hello, Jackie. Hello. Wait, isn't he a car? No, he's kind of a word car. Wow. Okay. Yeah. So, everything's coming to plan. Now, first thing we need to do is take over the island of Sordor. And there'll be no more Tonys. Toy Island. What should we call our island? I think we should call it Car Island. Oh yeah. What? That's right, Tilly. We're changing Toyland into Car Land. You won't get away with this. Oh, I am. And soon you'll be gone for good. And you'll end up like him. Fine. You want to change our own? I'm not part of this plan. Tilly, you're not going anywhere. Send her up to me. What? You heard him. He's guys send you up to this staircase. It's in your room, and you're gonna help us or not. Okay, I'll help. Good. Now we'll get rid of Tony. Now we get rid of all the decorations.
Quiet, Brian. He's awake. Huh? What the? Huh? Who the heck are you guys? Yeah, who are you people? You're the Carwood brothers. Yeah, this is my twin. This is Glenn, and I'm Finn. Yeah, our name doesn't rhyme, but who cares? What the? Mason, wake up! Where am I? Huh? Where am I? How did we get here? Oh, we found you on the Blue Mountain quarry. So me and my brother decided to help you out. Ugh. What is these boys up to? Hey, what you guys do? Oh my god. Real steam engines? Oh my, I thought steam engines were extinct a year ago. Yeah. Yeah, it's true. I'm Tony, by the way. This is my friend, Mason. Well, I'm bigger than him. I'm bigger than him. Yeah. Yeah, it all makes sense. Now, whoa. Wow, pretty cool. So, no, but we lost our island. Yeah, thanks to you. Wait, why me? I don't know, because it's... Look, I think I got a plan to save our island. Really? What island is it called? That's called Toyland. Island is Toyland, you say? Okay. We'll probably take that. Tony, there's no way this plan's gonna work. Mason, trust me. Alright. Here's my plan. Alright. I've got a plan to save our island. I'm Jagan, Flynn, and Glenn. I want you guys to disguise as evil cars, so that you can get all past. Wow. That's really great. And you? What's your name? Oh, I have the same name as yours, Tony. Well, Tony, I guess he has a sister. Yeah. How you, and you told me you just brought the cars and then save Tilly and get our home back, win our home back. Wow. Yeah, what do you think, Mason? Mason, where are you going? Mason, where are you going, man? So that's your plan? That's your plan? That's your plan to save our island? That is the stupidest plan I ever seen. Tony, Mason, don't go. You're right, Tony. Maybe I have to save your life in the worthless water. What? What are you saying? I'm saying I'm done. What? I'm done being part of this steam team. I'm tired of being treated like I'm a bitch trainer. Something. It's time that I do something on my own from now on. No, you have to be someone special. You are a special engine, after all. No, I'm not, Tony. All you do is goofing off. That's why the madam help fixed you. Look, Mason, I don't want to talk about all this stuff. You just think you're just a good friend. Well, now you're a horrible friend. I'm not a horrible friend. You're the one who's being a horrible friend. Because why? This is why your brothers and sisters were sentenced to scrap. Tony, how could you say that? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell at you. I'm sorry. Well, it's too late to say sorry. I'm out of here. Oh. Goodbye, Mr. Red Splendid Engine. Yeah, what do you say, Mr. No-Gooder? Yeah, run away. I have no idea what was that, but it's okay. Well, you all know bad times go to bad times, you know? Yeah, you're right. Lost our home right away. It's hopeless. We're nothing. No. Don't say that. Because we are real useful engines. But now we turn off useless engines. That's why I lost our home. Now it's time for me to go. Bye. Wait. You want water and coal? You almost ran out. Yeah. Maybe I'd take it a little bit. Maybe took the water and coal. Well, guess it's time for me to go. Goodbye. Bye. Good luck saving your island. Yeah. Bye.